Oh dear. Looks extra splendid out, but where? So many coats. I'm gonna have to play trap there today, just waiting to hear back from a lady. So I'm gonna grease my unit. Grease my unit a little bit. Get the engine out of that other truck. Might as well go see how felonious the activities are over here. You sleeping? Probably loves that. What's a horse? Drones from the Donecker. Oh no. We'll have to make a new, like an audio calendar. Groans from the Donecker. There'll just be a different groan for every day of the year, you know? And stuff. Yeah. If it just splits your bun part or not. Oh. Oh, this thing's just.
Oh, steering.
I need that. Holy f, it's like $11. Merca, loony, quarter.
Shit, huh? Quarters everywhere.
There we go. This is already a replacement.
That's already a
Yeah,
replacement.
and look at burnt.
Ah.
Fuck.
Oh, fucking try that one.
Yeah.
Fuck.
This one's 07. That one's 03. Oh, nice.
Good one.
Burnt. Burnt? No burnt. So hopefully you had a rattly too. Fixed. Oh, that's handy. A brand new part. one faulty one just like this, and then one brand new one. So, scores. Oh yeah, we got such a crisp ignition. Huh? Oh yeah. Oh, it's turbo diesel. That's so much better. Turn ignition off. Fan no on. So see? This was pretty cool too. That grease fitting right there was just a hole. It broke off fitting it. Had to drill it out, put a new one in. Never had grease since I've had it, so that's good. Are you winning?
Winning now.
You're winning.
You're winning now.
You're winning. Oh yeah, morning time in Inwood. It's freaking morning time, so that's good. I had to write the felon a letter for his PO. I was gonna put like, you know, loves the Carlings, eh? Big on the Carlings. And I'm not sure if he's allowed Lennon. Oh no. Or him. You sleeping? I'll just have to put that in the letter to your PO.
Oh. It does not respond well to authority.
Yeah. Does not listen, does not learn.
Yeah. Just straight idiot.
Yeah, just fucking strictly smokes fucking cigarettes. Nice. Nice. Just trying to put the... That's my good one. I got that other exhaust in the shop, but...
You didn't want to fuck have to do with it, yeah.
Oh, I mean, I gotta put the exhaust brake on and then modify the out of stuff because nothing's gonna fit, right? So I gotta... So it's like gonna be a project. So I was gonna like just wait a minute, but...
Yeah.
No.
No. Truck's just like, yeah, I do it today.
Yeah. Makes me glad I spent all that time around with dick ass playing fiddly dinks instead of working on my own shit. You know what I mean? Idiot. That was pretty cool.
No.